tracks. Even when the railway tracks was given, that was okay. We have given. Giving permission, that doesn't mean.
We have given is not your.
This land was never given.
Your one, I don't know who is the PI of your this. He has come. He said that if he convinced me, he said I'm going to get the papers, this and that. Until today, no papers. Now you all have. And you all come with the force.
No, sir, it's not force. I don't know. I came.
You all do your thing.
Okay, but whoever the PI, I would like to talk to the PI because I spoke to your PI of railway. Who is the PI or something? Okay, come.
हमारा कोई उसमें ये काम नहीं है. इनसे बात करो. ये काम ये कर रहे हैं. हमारा सिक्योरिटी का काम है only.
No, we are not disputing. You are doing your job. You doing his job. See, ultimately, you will execute and you will go. All these people will suffer. Please bear with, you understand our concern also.
आपकी साइड से पैसे दे सकते हैं.
You give me this letter. I will write also to collector. I'm going to the deputy collector now.
I gave ये करेगा और
हम आपको आप जब बोलेंगे आप लेटर भिजवा देंगे.
You take my this.
एक महीना हुआ है.
नंबर जो भी आपको दे दीजिए.
Give me the this. You take my email address. IND@gmail.com. Just forward it to me.
आप हमें एक लेटर दे दीजिए.
Yes. 2016.
Tenga tensa tane. Wadungu. Mala ting well sound. Think bore la ting emun. Fine what? Ani eji. Railway.
Landlord has no
Tenga mun ka काम बरोल ना. Teng सांगला हम ते पाड़ी एलो तेंगे PI and BI. Tenga aqua what they bought, which is 114, is only railway station Kansaule.
हॉलांतले लोकांना आपोवन आमकां सांगलें की रेल्वे थिंगा सगळीं झाडां कापता आनी आमी पावले थिंगा 15-20 मिनटान पावले आनी चोयले थिंगा की रेल्वे RVNLचे मनीस आहले इंजिनियर सायट इंजिनियर तेजे असिस्टंट आहले आनी 7-8 लोक तेंचे आहले प्लस अबाउट 6 आर्म गार्ड्स आहले विथ सब इन्स्पेक्टर फ्रॉम रेल्वे प्रोटेक्शन फोर्स. आमी तेका क्वेश्चन केलें चालू केलें की तुमचे काम कितें चलता तें म्हणटा झाड कापता हिंगा क्लियरींग करता म्हळ्यार ते दीस इज प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टी हाव यू कॅन एंटर द ट्रेसपास द प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टी तें म्हणून लागल्यार ते प्रॉपर्टी आमची सो आमी सांगलें शो अस युअर डॉक्युमेंट्स आनी ते आमकां सिग्नल दाखोवपा लागले म्हळ्यार हॅविंग अ सिग्नल ऑन द लेफ्ट ऑर रायट डजन एंटायटल यू डेट द रायट ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी म्हणून आनी आमचे बारा 2 लँडलॉर्ड आहले हू आर द लँडलॉर्ड ऑफ दॅट एरिया. So I introduced the landlords to them and the landlord also questioned. He said we will file a criminal trespass against you. मागीर तेजे उपरांत ते ओके म्हणूंक लागले we will get back to you. So ते लोक मातशे उचामूड जाल्लो तेंका मातशें लोकांक मातशें सांगलें कांयच करनाका कित्याक वॉट एवर यू हॅव टू डू इन अ सिविलायज्ड वे. सो पोत ते आतां थिंगा लोकांक सतायता काम करता बारीक बारीक काम स्टार्ट करता. हें रेल्वेन रेल विकास निगम एंड साउथ सेंट्रल रेल्वे साउथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वे तेणी हें असलीं कामां इलिगल वर्क्स आमच्या गांवांत बंद करपा जाय. अंटील देर इज अ क्लियर कट इंडिकेशन एंड लँड एक्विजिशन वॉट एवर दे शुडंट स्टार्ट एनी डबल ट्रॅकिंग वर्क. दिस वी आर सेइंग फ्रॉम टायम एंड अगेन एंड गोंयचो एकवट हॅज बीन consistently working along with the villages and we don't want to have any issue in our villages all along the coastal belt.
Local MLA कितें म्हणटा?
Local MLA has voiced her opinion against the double tracking. Having said so, we want she along with the local panchayats, Sankwal, then Velsan, Pali, Sorshi, Kansaulin, and the other along the other constituencies, they should all actively unite and give us common front against this most undemocratic way of land acquisition. Lokan pote from 2008 they were being harassed. आता 3-4 party land acquisition lokan pote apaita. And the sad part is the railway themselves don't hear this public or personal hearings, which is a sad part. You know, these are all this whole area is there are senior citizens who are not even venturing out on account of the COVID pandemic. And they are receiving notices for this personal hearing. I mean, now this is just in contravention of the health and government health guidelines. And we don't understand why there is such a hurry for this.